What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the MSA 400. Now, this one here in the blue color, and it is 4x4. That's right. Now, this one here, one nice feature. It's fuel injected, so in this wonderful, snowy, cold weather, again, you've got your plow attached. You can start it very easily in the nice cold weather all year round, summertime, wintertime, or any time in between. Check it out. It also has the new feature, the 2-inch receiver hitch in the back, so you can put a trailer hitch on it and go ahead and pull around that trailer. You've got nice super knobby tires right here, lots of travel for the shocks, dual independent suspension here in the rear as well, your brake light, as well as your up and down for the winch, which the winch is included in the sale of this product here, and it does come with a 2,000-pound winch. Again, the plow as well, and this one here, you can go ahead and tilt it right here with the button. Really easy, and again, up and down with the push of a button right here. If you guys need something here that can plow lots of snow, this one here, it's got high and low, neutral and reverse. So again, couple inches, no problem. 3, 4, 5, 6 inches, no problem. Again, you've got your high, low, neutral, and reverse. Again, 2-wheel drive, switchable into 4-wheel drive with the click of a button right there. All you got to do, give us a call right now. Toll-free number here, it's 866-606-3991 to get her in gear. There you go. That's it. And this one definitely has lots of power. So, if you're looking for an excellent, nice machine with a parking brake, disc brakes in the front and the rear, the MSA unit has it for you. Call us right now, toll free, 866-606-3991. SaferWholesale.com is the website. Again, LED lights. A few different colors. We've got camo, red. We've got the blue here, as well as gray and green. Again, call us today, 866-606-3991, SaferWholesale.com.